All right, so it's kind of cryptic when you get here. You got the big parking lot. You've gone past the buffaloes about 8 miles back, and so you got the North Rim Visitor Center here. And then over here is the lodge that we're walking towards. So here you have the lodge area. Looks like they just replaced the roof with shingles. It's very nice. Plant. Restrooms. A saloon. Gift store. Deli. And this is the North Rim Lodge. Water station. Alright, so let's go get some lunch.
Actually, we stepped in a squirrel's foot.
Okay, good. This is the main area where you get register, information desk. Okay. Like a typical lodge, it's very dark because of the wood. It's beautiful. Got a buffet here. Auditorium. See if we can go in, yeah. Lots of nice stone. Really cool. Downstairs. Got a little sitting area here. This is the main dining area. And down here is the view. These windows are stunning. Wow. Okay, you know, some things look like the Grand Canyon, but they really don't. This place is incredible, crazy. And you got people going out where they probably shouldn't be. New Grand Canyon Lodge. I'm not sure what's new about it. We'll have to figure that out.
You're not gonna believe you're panning underside of your arm.
Got these great chairs to look out on the view. And wow. Never lacks to impress you. Looks like a giant fireplace there. Yeah, giant fireplace. Wow. Here's the other side, very similar, except for it doesn't have a giant fireplace. A little outcropping there, awesome.
Is this where the trail goes?
Another beautiful day in the canyon. It's about 8:20 Saturday morning. Get a couple of 360s of these hikes that are very exposed. Well, exposed for by most people's standards. It's not like you're on a climbing line or anything, but they're a bit dicey. It's the North Rim. It's very nice. First one you walk down, kind of busy. You can see it's a little, I'm uncomfortable with it now. Yesterday I was pretty uncomfortable. Now I've done it a time or so. Okay, so here you go. 360. This is incredible. Pause here for a second. And there's the lodge. The lodge has no rooms. All there is cabins. Cabins are pretty rustic, and you'll see that there'll be some other opportunities to see some videos of those. I said, very nervous first time I walked this trail, but now I'm getting kind of familiar with it. Kind of scary, isn't it? Cant it off this way a little bit. Weekend of this trip from sea level, we're 8,000 feet. You can kind of see the south rim there, and you can kind of see the plains and the mountains behind it. We saw some lights there last night. Put you over the edge, make you feel like you're hovering in space. I'm gonna go over there next, and then on to a little more dicey trail I did with my slider cam yesterday that I want to do with a 360. I hope people enjoy the 360s. I'm going to do a review on gear. So I'm going to Bright Angel Point, ultimately. I'll do a 360 of that. And some GoPro video. So you know what you're getting yourself into. When you're doing serene subjects like this, you wonder whether or not you should put some music behind it, or just let the natural sounds come through. The walk on the path, the birds, a little bit of rumble of humans. This place is not near as crowded as the South Rim. You don't see as many tourist buses here, probably because, like I said, you're camping, you're going in cabins. There are no rooms per se, just different variations of cabins. Okay, so that's where I was when I opened this video, and this is another viewpoint. Amazing. Amazing. Now I did a slider video using the rails. Be nice to just loop this and watch it for hours, because it's just such a stunning view. You wish you could do it a minute a day. I did a rafting trip down through the Colorado. That was fun. That's really how you can see the canyon, but once again, you just get kind of used to all the incredible views. So we'll finish this one up here, and then I'll do the Bright Angel Trail walk from the sign back there.